yourself for the apocalypse.
So I'm excited because this is going to be my first house going into.
Flagpole.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Cliff, I promise you, an angry old man won't come chase us out of here.
No promises.
I'm pretty certain on that. Got a lonely chair there.
What?
Okay, so first impressions, it looks like a type of office right here. It may have been office quarters or administrative area for the company here. Very well could be. May have converted it from the old house. There's lots of documentation here. See if we could get some dates. What's this? What everyone should know about back problems.
Oh, I need that book.
Look at this, weekly safety meeting. 93. Look at this thing here, portable rain jet. Must be like a hot plate.
Oh yeah, because there's the piece behind it.
There's the coil. Oh, we have an intruder. Oh,
You in my house.
Intruder cap right there. Oh, wow.
I found an old phone.
Found an old office area.
This is 96 for the year. This is 96 for the year. So if we're going off dates on this stuff, then the 90s was the last time this was used. What's a big little recliner? Leather. This floor is just piles and piles of documents. Pennsylvania Aggregates and Concrete Association. Okay, this makes sense. That's what all the sand is for. This is a concrete company.
Okay. All right.
Exactly what it is. That's why the concrete trucks were rolling into that little area where we first started. They filled up with the concrete.
So this was for concrete.
Yeah. That makes total sense now.
See that? You explore and you get your answer.
What is that little book right here? MSHA, Safety and Health Standards, Surface Metal, Non-Metal Mining Operations. Is that a calendar?
No, well, yeah, it's from a,
89. It's an old calendar.
yeah. I wonder how, yeah, oh yeah, cool.
There's another calendar down here, 97. So my hunch is that this was an actual home at one point that they converted into offices.
Oh, you've got a little bird's nest too up top here.
Look at this architecture. This is actually pretty nice. Got beautiful archways. So we got an archway here for the sink.
Let's go down.
That's where the medicine cabinet would be. Now look at this little truck. Look at that. That is stunning. I never saw that in the house before. So now you have another archway right here.
Look at all the ceiling just coming down like that. All the paint.
And here's our toilet check. We went back to it.
You will die.
Not like someone's going up or down.
That's downstairs. Alright, I'm gonna tuck it in. Get out of my house! Oh shit.
Hey, this was a concrete.
Well, someone blew out their ass on that one. And the whole damn toilet.
That's all the sand was for. Showers?
Oh.
What is there, upstairs?
Yeah.
How was the downstairs?
Not much downstairs.
Yeah, you too. Just listen to all that glass.
So just go with the show that. So just goes to show that a place like this, Alan's been here before.
Yeah, there's nothing of anything spectacular down here, so I'm not gonna waste too much time. Gonna head back up.
So it really pays off to search the area well and see what else is here. Anything down there?
I mean it's a basement, but there's nothing really worth.
Nothing exciting.
Nah.
On the counter. Another calendar, 96, so 96, 97 looks to be the estimated date of last use. Surprisingly though, not much graffiti. Very little here and there, but I was expecting my worst. Here's the when I called it. There's some other cabinets, in the walls and everything like that. Refrigerator, like fridge cleaner. Nice graffiti. Coffee pot there. So this is 100% the break room. Steps. Gotta go up the steps. I do love the archways. And there's even I know I'm kind of going too fast here, but I'm kind of excited. Vacation calendar here. It has dates on here, but no year. Pretty cool. Cool if you're upstairs. That's what it's there. All the paperwork.
Yeah, it's Christmas decorations up here too.
Oh, and the official then. It's abandoned.
Wow.
Yeah, tons of paperwork.
This is a low ceiling. Oh guys, you know what that means? It's official. It's abandoned. These are probably Stockton to employees.
Yeah.
1984. Eastern Industries, concrete products, the old building materials.
Christmas decorations.
The old style. Oh, I think it's like 69s.
Yeah.
Those are probably
Like when we had it growing up.
at least we know where now we know what kind of it is. It's easy to change.
Yeah.
There's this little attic crawl space here.
Yeah, someone came up here, gets busted everything out.
Oh, Lloyd, if you're looking for your stocking, it's right here.
Oh God.
Who else is here?
Merrill.
Merrill. And Clark. Don't tell me it's Clark Griswold.
There's a Don and a
It's a
George
butte,
over
Clark.
there.
It's a butte. Oh, Cliff, here's your Easter basket.
Oh, thanks. I was looking for that.
That fits 1 egg. Oh, this is a pretty nice room. I like the curved ceilings. Just to show you, there's not much headroom in here.
Yeah.
It's I'm 5'11". These ceilings are probably about 6 foot high. So I'm guessing the men that worked here are pretty short.
Yeah, I straight hit my head.
Yeah. So either they're short or they were hunched over and had hunchbacks.
You know, that explains why they had the books down there for back pain.
Yeah, there you go. Tying it all together. And see, this is no cause, no need, no justification for this though.
Yeah.
And stuff like this is why I don't give out locations. People sometimes hound me asking where places are. Well, when you see this, and you see that, that's why I don't put it up. You can trust everyone thinks possibly, or
This is awesome. My first house to explore. It's very tight getting around all those doors. Really uncomfortable. I don't need the light now. We can turn the light off. This must have been a pretty nice little office at one point. What do we got here? Someone killed Santa. Right? Yep, so you can see we also could have even went through the back right here.
This house right here was a very important piece that we found because not only did it tell us dates as to when this place was last operational, but it told us what it was. We were under the assumption it was some type of mining company. We saw the piles of sand, we were thinking, what the hell could this be for? But once we saw the books inside the documents, it confirmed it that this was a concrete manufacturing plant. So that makes total sense as to what we're seeing here, as to what they use, all the equipment pieces, and more importantly, the dates.
The apocalypse.